mango juice too. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, to my vlogging channel slash vlogging channel. So this is my second video. This is my next video because I missed my vlogging channel or slash gaming channel, but now we got unboxing again. You love the fidget spinner unboxing. I remember that link gonna be in the description, guys. So, and the baby shark devil song link in the description, guys. And yeah, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Okay, guys. So from the title, you know that because I link in the description my Baby Shark is a devil song because the background is Baby Shark is a devil song. Baby Shark song. So if you want a second Baby Shark devil song part 2, let's get 5 likes in this one. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and be sure to check out my Facebook, Jonathan Manis. Link's gonna be in the description, but that's in the description, guys. So yeah, come on. So the flying gliders, top. So this is the flying gliders, propeller, something like that. So we're gonna unboxing this. So we got unboxing here. Okay. Boom, guys. So that's the unboxing of the propeller. We got some of the front wing of the propeller. Propeller. Oh my god. Propeller. So this is the front wing, and I fill it out. This is the propeller, the body of the propeller. This is the back of the propeller, and this is the holder for the don't know what's that, and this is the wing or fan. Is that this is the connector, and let's do this. So now, guys, so gotta go like there. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna go for you guys. So we're gonna unboxing this. So that is already unboxed, but we gotta unbox. Yeah, gonna connect the parts of the propeller plane, something like that. So from the front wing, so there's the front wing. So you gotta connect in this first hole in the left or right here, and you gotta insert it. You're gonna insert it. Come on, insert it until in the middle. Guys. So the second one, this is the back of the propeller plane. We're gonna insert again here. Nice. Got insert that. And this is the this is the you got from the here of the hole. You're gonna from the whole small hole, you can insert the small part. Then have here earlier the connector of the wing or fan. You're gonna insert it here in this hole. You can see it because the light of the sun. The sun is give you a vitamin D from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Good fact. And from the last, we're gonna insert from the here, from the front. Okay, that's good. All is good, guys. This is the propeller P Cobra P39. So this it's only like 5 cents dollars, but in the pesos is 6 pesos. So Philippine peso. So Philippine peso. Come on, fly! Woo! Nice, it's flying. Okay, guys, we're gonna stand and we're gonna fly around, hey, fly around, guys. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If more unboxing or boxing toys, comment down below, and I see you guys tomorrow. Peace.